How to delete TikTok messages from both sides. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete TikTok messages from both sides. So first thing, just head over to your TikTok application, and once you're inside here, just tap on this inbox option, and here you can just head over to any of your chats and where you would like to delete your messages from both sides. So that means from your perspective as well as their perspective, the person whom you have sent your messages should not be able to see your messages, or that they should see that you have actually removed your messages. So let's say I want to remove this heart option from my chat for both persons, for me as well as for the other person as well. So what I can do is I will just long press on this and scroll through the right, and you can see there is a delete button over here. So I'll just tap on it, and in some case there will be option like delete for everyone, but in my case it's not over here. So as you can see, I only can delete this for myself. So in that case, what I will do is just come over to your Chrome browser and just search in for TikTok Help Center. So just tap on the first link over here, or you can also click on this report a problem by simply coming over to this option. That's a report a problem over here. So once you're inside here, scroll all the way down until you see the option called report another issue. Just tap on it, and once you're inside here, just tap on this online reporting form, where you can also tell them about your specific problem, and just tap on this topic, and you can also click on this option. If you don't find any options regarding messages, just tap on this general account inquiry and just click on this category. Under category section, if you still don't find any option regarding messages, and just mention your username, your contact email which you use to register into your TikTok, and your additional details telling about your exact issue, like this. So once you enter all of your details, you can also upload your photo or screenshots of the particular issue, and just click on this and click on submit. And once the TikTok team review your problem, this will view it and fix it soon. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.